Very warm welcome to you on this most day. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. Tries to... And he's had a hit! It's run loose, who's going to get there? That's their first effort on goal.
João Cancelo put absolutely everything he had into that. Maybe better look next time.
Out to the right. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Yeah, Casemiro. He gives them some real defensive steel in the middle of the park, Peter. What he's particularly good at is nipping opposition attacks.
Oh, what a mistake! And it's hoisted clear. Oh, it's come loose. Pirlo! That's a half-decent try.
Pirlo has taken on too much there. That isn't one of the areas he thrives on.
Koulibaly. Good pressure. No shortage of purpose here. Well seen. Saw that coming. It's a poor pass, too easily intercepted. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. And it's Griezmann. Out to the left it goes.
Neymar really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Casemiro with the clearance. Messi. Now the counter. Sancho tries making a foray down the right. Tries to crash through the challenge, but no. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Pedri. He's found a way through. And the shot!
Oh, once he made the save, it didn't take the keeper long to start barking at his defence.
And it's Messi. That's been intercepted. And for a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. It's a pretty loose pass. Threads one in. Great chance! They score!
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Deadlock broken. It's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Knocks it out wide. Here's the ball in. And that's been levered clear. Varane gets rid without sophistication. Salah. Rummenigge. Pedri. Gets his pass away.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
And he can clear it away. Pedri. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Rummenigge. Passing is crisp and sharp. Looking for the runner. Back into the middle. And he's heaved it away. Intercepts the throw, that's well read. Now then, the ball's come loose. Another throw-in. It's a throw-in. Lovely ball into space, and he's picked out the run. And that's put paid to a promising move. Well timed, excellent interception. And it's Neymar. Nice little ball through. Rummenigge. Neymar. Messi. And the pass is intercepted. Pirlo. Shot a goal! And yes, it's there! They are right back in business. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before a bullet was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
2 added minutes has been
Played
indicated.
out to the right. No, it's not getting there. And this could be the final action of the first half. Pirlo plays it short. Salah plays it in. And the whistle goes for half-time. Well, it has been an even contest, as the scoreline suggests, and it is
11. Cristiano
the
Ronaldo.
second half then, just getting going.
Number 21.
More past
Messi.
that, sloppy.
Coming on the field.
He's
Number
played him
7.
through. And he's in on
Benzema.
goal.
Number
In towards
4.
the... And a header!
Substitution in progress.
Here. Benzema charging forward, the ball at his feet. Oh, perfectly measured that. And it... Rummenigge! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Maldini knocks it away. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. And now they can spring out of defence. Rashford. Oh no, no circumventing this opponent. Possession football, Jim, we're seeing plenty of it. What is it, though, that really makes it work?
Well, for me, what makes it work is the fact that everyone in this team has the courage to show for the ball. You can't shy away from it. You can't hide. You have to front up in a setup like this, and everyone is doing just that.
And you make it sound so simple. Sancho. And that has left him in a heap. Rummenigge. Over to the left. Neymar. He is through here. Rummenigge. Oh, this is a great position. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Tomiyasu. Sancho producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Pirlo.
The attendance for this match was 71,550.
And it's Cruyff. Can he get away here? Casemiro. A real chance to break. Rashford. Played out towards the right wing. That is a great pick out. He's in a great position. Towering header. They've scored. And the comeback is complete. So, time for changes on both sides, actually. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to...
Can he finish? And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. It's a pretty loose pass. Interesting ball. Rummenigge. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And back to the goalkeeper. De Gea is there to clear. Now that pass has been well intercepted. Casemiro.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
They're coming again and again.
Spot on, Peter.
He's through, it's one-on-one. Bruno Fernandes. Big chance, corner. So, third corner of the game. Kostic goes short. Skims one in. Danger averted for now. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
He's got away. Kostic goes in for the header. He scores! And surely that does it. Perfect time, decisive strike.
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. There's a sharp little ball here. The pass wasn't good enough there, and he knows it. Bernardo Silva. Spread out to the left. And here's Rashford. Played out to the left flank. The ball is loose and the chase is on. That's an excellent interception. That's going to go a long way. No unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out here. Oh, good spread.
There will be 3 minutes
Rashford,
at a time.
well read, and the danger is averted. And here's the chance to counter. Rummenigge. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there.
And that is that. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Rashford picking up the Man of the Match award, and no surprise.